friends, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you a very easy but glamorous look in 5 minutes. I'm mainly using like products which are from the drugstore. I wanted to focus a little bit more like on affordable products. So the first thing I did was priming my eyelids. For this I do use more of a high-end product, which is the Makeupgeek Soft Ochre Paint Pot. But you guys know how seriously I take my eyeshadow primer, so this is just my ride or die. I use it for almost every video. Then now the palette I'm gonna use is this one by NYX Cosmetics. It's called the Phoenix palette. It's a really pretty palette. It kind of reminds me of fall. It has like a lot of beautiful colors. And we're gonna start with this shade in the crease. I'm gonna blend it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner to really warm up the whole crease area. So first I started with a big fluffy brush, and then I wanted to focus a little bit more precise on the outer V area. So then I switched to a tinier brush, which is from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. I feel like the outer V is really nice when you do like a round shape whenever you don't wear eyeliner. And for today's eye look, I didn't want it to go for like a winged liner or something. I just wanted to keep it really simple. So now for the next color, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply that mainly at the outer V. I'm focusing really over there, just packing on the shade, and then whatever is left on my brush, I'm also going to blend it a little bit more towards the middle part of the crease. And I'm still using that same brush which comes in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe kits. I feel like whenever you want to do a quick look, it's really easy to do like one shade all over in the crease and then a darker shade in the outer V like I'm doing today. I feel like this always kind of gives quite a big impact on the eyes without putting like too much effort. Just one shade all over in the crease, a darker one at the outer V, and then you can do like a shade on the eyelids. So I'm taking this light color because I want to go in with a metallic liquid eyeshadow today, and the shade of this one kind of looks similar, so I think it's really nice to use this as a base for underneath the liquid eyeshadow. You can also go in with the liquid eyeshadow directly, but I feel like going in with a shade which looks kind of similar underneath is gonna make it look more nice. The liquid eyeshadow is gonna blend more nicely on the eyelids. I just noticed after doing this a few times, I just think this definitely makes a difference to put like eyeshadow underneath. So first I applied the liquid eyeshadow directly on the eyelids, and then when I packed on most product, I switched to using a tiny blending brush, and I just kind of dabbed on the eyeshadow and also around the edges to make it look more softer and less harsh. The brush I'm using is by Morphe. It's the M506, I believe. And I just kept blending. Sometimes I added a little bit more product. I really wanted that glow to be really obvious on the eyelid. I think it looks really pretty. And of course, I will be putting all the names of the products I'm using in the description bar. So now I'm using this pencil, which is by the brand Zoeva. And this is the Karnat pencil. I've been using it so many times. It's like a really nice nude pencil. Then I went back in with the color, which I also used for the crease and the outer V, mixing those two shades together. And now I'm blending it all the way underneath the lower lash line. Since I already used these shades for the crease and the outer V, it's now really easy to blend this underneath the lower lash line and then blend into the outer V since those shades are already there. It's just really easy to kind of connect the lower lash line with the outer V. Then now for my mascara, I use the Worth the Hype mascara from NYX Cosmetics as well. I thought let's just use a NYX mascara today. And I'm using my own Anytude Sultry lashes. I have a special Halloween code which will give you 30% discount on my lashes. So if you want to use my lashes, I will put all the information in the description bar. Also, if you make pictures with my lashes on or something like that, don't forget to tag me on social media so I can share it in my Instagram story. And then this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. I think this eye look can be worn for so many different occasions, for like a wedding, a party, you name it. I think it's like really universal. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.